So we want to solve these questions here. Angles, fraction, we have circle, and ratio and proportion. So we want to start with the angles here. So if you look at how the diagram is drawn, this is a quadrilateral. We are having a shape like this, where this place is a right angle. And here is y plus 48 degrees. And this is 2y. Then this place we have 68 degrees. Right? So since this place is right angle, and we want to use quadrilateral to solve it. Here, this side will become 180 degrees minus y plus 48 degrees. Right? So to get that side to expand, you have 180, and that will be minus 48 degrees minus y. Right? So here we'll be having 180 minus 48. This will give us 2. Then here we have, this is 7, so this will be 3. So 132. So we get 132 degrees minus y. So meaning this side will be 132 minus y. So 132 degrees minus y, using angles, adjacent angles on a straight line. Adjacent angles on a straight line. Then to calculate for the angle also here, can use angles on the straight line. That is, let's say we put a letter like vein here. So we have a vein plus 68 degrees equal to 180. So with this one, we have vein equal to 180 degrees minus 68 degrees. Right? So here 180 and 68. So we turn that with 2. Here will be 7. That is 1. So we have 112 degrees. So here is 112 degrees. Right? So since we're having all the angles inside the quadrilateral, now we can solve for the y. So using sum of angles in a quadrilateral, which is 360 degrees. So we have 112 degrees plus, this is right angle, so that will be 90 degrees. Then you have plus 132 degrees minus y plus 2y equal to 360, sorry. That is sum of angles in a quadrilateral. Right. So we want to add the values there. So here we have 112, you have 90, you have 132. Right, so this will give you 4. Then this will be 10, 13, so 3. We have this one to be 3. Right, so we have 334 degrees. Then we have negative y plus 2y, and that will give you positive y, so plus y equals 360 degrees. So from here we have y, transfer this to the right side, move it to the right. So now we can 360 minus 334 degrees. So 360 minus 334 is 6. So this will give you 2, so that will be 26. So meaning y is 26 degrees. 26 degrees. I hope it's simple here. Right. I hope it's simple there. Now the second question we want to look at this fraction here. We're giving 2 whole number 1 on 2 all square minus 1 whole number 1 on 2 all square. Right, so this one, I have to change the fractions to the mixed fractions to improper. So we'll be having, this will give you 5. 2 by 2 is 4 plus 1, that is 5. So 5 on 2 all squared. Then you also have minus, this will give you 3 on 2 all squared. Right, I hope the first method is simple here. Right, so with this, every number will be squared. We have 5 squared on 2 squared minus, this will give you 3 squared on 2 squared. Right, so 5 squared is 25. Then 2 squared will give you 4. That's 4 here. And minus 3 squared is 9. Then here 2 squared is what? 4. Right. So with this, you have the LCM to be 4. You have 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9. And this will give you, that is 16 on 4, which will give you the answer of what? 4. Right, so this one is also simple here. I hope it's not difficult when you look at it. Change to improper fraction, that is 2 by 2 is 1. Then plus 1, that will give you 5. Right, then you have 2 1 is 2. You square everything, then it goes like that. So we want to look at the next question. The next question, that is a circle. The next question, circle. So here we have the diameter. Since we are giving diameter, we need the radius. So radius, the radius equals diameter on 2. So since the diameter is 28, we have 28 on 2, that will give us 14. So that got 14 centimeters, 14 centimeters here. Right, so from there I said we should find the area of the circular tree. So area of the circular tree, area of the circular tree. So we have the area of a circle. They are talking about the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. And we are giving that pi is 22 on 7. So 22 on 7. And the radius is 14. So 14 squared. So the r squared. Here we have 22 on 7 times 14 by 14. So 7 here, 1, go into 14, that is what 2. So we get 22 by 2 by 14, right? So this will give you 44 by 14. Then we multiply from here. We have 44, 14, 16 is carry 1, then 16, so 17. We have 4, then this by this also 4, so 6 is 11, and that's carry 1. So this will give us 6. So we have 6, 1, 6, and that is what? Centimeters. This is centimeters square. Centimeters square. So I hope this is also simple. Yes, the area is there. So to solve it is not difficult. Right. Now I want to move to the next one. The next question here said a car travels 450 kilometers in 6 hours. How far can it travel in 4 hours with the same speed? With the same speed, right? So according to the question 4, we are having a car travels 450 kilometers, 450 kilometers in 6 hours. So we have 450 kilometers in 6 hours. So 6 hours. A car travels 450 kilometers in 6 hours. How far can it travel in 4 hours with the same speed? So 4 hours with the same speed. We want the distance equivalent to that is what 4 hours. If 450 kilometers is 6 hours, or 6 hours is 450 kilometers, then 4 hours will be what? So obviously 4 hours will require what? Less distance, or to covers the car covers what? Less distance. So if less, then we have more divide. So if less, then more divides, right? So this is a unit of the same kind, so you compare it. 4 will be less, so less, more, which is 6. We divide it then times the 450 here, right? So here you can use 2 here, 2 here, 3. Then use 3 to divide 450. So 3 here, 1. 3 into 4, that is 1. The remainder is 1. Put it here, it becomes 15. Then 3 will go into 15, that is 5. 2 go into 0, 0. So meaning 3 into 450, that's 150 times. So you get the 2 by 150. And that will give us 300 kilometers. So meaning 4 hours will what? Be 300 kilometers. 300 kilometers. Right. Now I want to look at the last question. This one here. We have root of 5x equals 25. Root of 5x equals 25. Yes, can you try it for us to see? Root of 5x equals 25. Right, so let's see. Here you square both sides. So we have root of 5x all squared, then 25 squared. squared. So here, the square will cancel this. That is, here it will affect all this number is under the square root sign. Don't forget. So this square will cancel the square root here. And we get 5x on this side. Then here will be 25 squared. 25 squared. So this is 5x equals 25 squared. That's 25 by 25. 625. Well, let's work it. 25 by 25. So this is 5. And this 10. This 10, 0. When there's 4. Should have 5. So we have this 25, 5 carry 2. So that here with 12. Right. So this 5 and 2, 6. So 625 divide through by 5. 5x on 5. 625 on 5. Yes. So then 25 on 5. Then this will cancel this 5 into this 6, 1. The remainder will be 1. 5 into 12. That's 2. The remainder is 2. 5 into 25. That is 5. So means 5 will go into 625. That's 125 times. So your x will be 125. 125. All this also simple here, right? So we will meet again next time. So these are the questions that we solved. These are the questions that we solved. Yes, it's simple question like that. So if you came late, you can look at the questions well. Yeah. So the question that we solved. We'll be back again. Kindly subscribe to our page, follow us and share so that we'll bring you more, and check our lessons every dawn.